Hello Yellow class, welcome to our last week of home learning. I can't believe that we've been doing this for so long and we've actually finally got to the end of this part. I'm going to go through the things that I'd like you to do for your next week at home. I'll go through Mondays today. So this week we are revising the OR phoneme and we're going to start off today looking at the OR spelled with the O and the R. This tends to come in the middle of words. You've got some words on your timetable that you can use. Have a go at making a word search or something. Do a fun activity with those words. Have a go at writing some of them. And Mrs. Welling again has put some of those words and an activity on Spelling Shed. I haven't heard from anybody that they can't get onto Spelling Shed, so I'm assuming that all of you have been able to get on there and access those. She does apologise for the mistake she made last Monday. Guided reading, so do some one-to-one reading this week. Our focus is language for effect. So I'd like you to think today, what words have been used to describe? So pick either a character or a setting from a book, something that words have been used to describe. Practice some counting, so counting in ones, twos, fives and tens. Practice counting forwards and backwards. Today what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to pick 10 numbers from between 1 and 100. I want you to draw that number in Deans. So parents, if you were picking the number 38, you would draw 38, 3 10s and 8 1s. Then what I'd like you to do, add 10 and add 1 to each number and then subtract 10 and subtract 1 from each number. Literacy, what I'd like you to do today is to think of all the facts that you learnt about Lord Nelson and put them together in a thought shower that we're going to use tomorrow, because tomorrow I'd like you to make a PowerPoint or a Word document that shows all that information you learnt about him. So today, just thought shower all the things that you can remember. Try to organise the facts together. So if you've got facts about HMS Victory, try to group those ideas together, group things about Lord Nelson together. If maybe you think you need to do a little bit more research about him, that now's the time to do that, so that tomorrow you're ready to do some writing. Handwriting today, we are going to write some OR words. So we are going to start with fork, so the F, tall and low, into the O and the R, off of the R, all the way up, down and round into the K. Pork, P, again remember P is that low letter. When you come off of the R, it's all the way up, round into the K. Corn, you've got a curly C, curly O, into that R and then straight into that N. And storm, we've got a wiggly S, tall T, into our O, into our R, and then we've got our M on the end. Today we're going to be doing some PSHE, and that's the theme of our week this week. We're going to be doing that every afternoon. And our unit is no way through isn't true. So we're thinking about how we can resolve problems or issues as they arise. So today what I'd like you to do is think about a time when you have thought, I can't do that, I can't. Think about a time, draw that down in the middle of a piece of paper, and then round the outside write some things that you think maybe you could have done that would have helped you overcome that problem or the issue that you were having. Have a think about what you could have done and write those ideas around the outside. And again, make sure you do something active. The New Forest School Sports Partnership Challenges are all on the website. Joe Wicks is still going. Make sure you go out for maybe a bike ride or a walk. Make sure you get out and do something active. Have a great Monday and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.